So what would happen if you took this desk that I just built and added some LED lights to and hooked it up to a simple and free Sound React program that can capture audio directly from your computer and then combine everything together with your favorite video games?
Thank you.
So I'm curious if you think this is absolutely awesome or absolutely pointless or maybe a little bit of both. I'll leave links in the description to everything I used, including the video where I walk you through how I made the desk and the video I made going over the free Sound React software that I'm using. And if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe so you can follow along as I'm slowly trying to turn my downstairs into an epic gaming room that will hopefully be on the same level as Tech Tesseract and Maddie K's setup. Thank you all so much for watching, and as always, I hope you have a blessed day.